Making steady progress is really important to kind of really have a plan that you can follow. So you have to plan the steps forward, but you also have to be flexible to change the plan as the data emerges. And that's the key in drug development. And so when you work with a novel target like we are working, so nobody else has worked on this particular target, you have to be ready to kind of shift your strategy fairly quickly based on the learning that you have. And so I think the whole cycle of design, make, test, learn, and then go around, that's kind of an AI way to do it. So we're not an AI company, we're a biotech company, but that's basically what we do. Once you go to a certain place, it's very hard to go back and redesign and remake. You kind of made a lot of investments already, and you have to raise new money based on what you've done. So you have to be careful about one-door decision and two-door decision. Two-door decision is when you make a decision, you can come back, so it's reversible. And door one decision is when you make a decision, you're never coming back. You have to recognize as you go through drug development, balancing the risk, what are your one-door decisions and what are your two-door decisions. We do have a lot of times door two decisions, and they're more frequent. Door one decisions are less frequent, but they're very consequential. And I think it's true. I mean, it's true for any industry. It's true for politics. It's true for everything, right? So you have to just recognize the moment in time and kind of foresee a little bit ahead. We're crucial in the biotech industry. So the smaller company like ours are the ones that take the risk that bigger companies wouldn't take. And so we're kind of blazing the path. We also have a high failure rate. And so I don't know what's going to happen with my company. Maybe we'll succeed, maybe we'll fail, we'll see. But when you work on a novel target where nobody else kind of worked on it, it is a riskier proposition than if you work on a validated target, so you know it works. You're just kind of optimizing and creating a better drug for it than the front runner. So smaller companies do have a pivotal role. I'd say probably 60% of drugs that come to market have come from small companies that were acquired by bigger companies. And so it's kind of a one risk staging for the big companies and for our industry to take more risk with investments.